A heart-touching story of true love. It is a story of a boy and a girl. They were best friends for years and used to talk on phone for hours and text each other all day. There would not be a day on which they did not contact and talk to each other. Everything was great. They used to be happy in each other's company and enjoy. But one day, boy did not call or reply to girl for a day. Girl got worried and knew something was wrong. At night in her room she was crying and that at that time she realized that how much he meant to her. Next day in the morning she got a call. It was from boy. Boy, hi girl, I am so glad that you called. What happened to you yesterday? Boy, I was busy. After silence for a minute, boy, I think we should stop talking. Girl, what? But why? Boy, sorry. Bye.